Welcome back to the channel. Now, have you ever felt like you're stuck in a financial rut, just barely making ends meet? Trust me, I've been there. But let me tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. No matter where you're starting from, building wealth is absolutely possible. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact steps you can take to create a brighter financial future for yourself. We're talking actionable strategies, practical tips, and the mindset shifts you need to achieve real, lasting wealth. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building the life you've always dreamed of, grab a notebook and let's get started. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of investing and side hustles, we need to take a step back and define what wealth really means to you. Is it having a big house and a fancy car? Or is it about having the freedom to travel the world and pursue your passions without worrying about money? There's no right or wrong answer here. What matters is that your definition of wealth is personal and meaningful to you. Because when you have a clear vision of what you're working towards, it's so much easier to stay motivated and on track. So take some time to really think about what you want your life to look like. Write down your goals, big and small. What kind of lifestyle do you envision for yourself? What experiences do you want to have? These goals will act as your roadmap to financial success. This is your journey, and you get to decide what success looks like for you. Now that you've got your goals set, it's time to arm yourself with the knowledge and skills you need to achieve them. Think of it like this: you can't build a skyscraper without a solid foundation, right? Well, the same goes for your financial future. Financial literacy is crucial. You need to understand how money works, things like budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. There are tons of resources out there to help you, from books and online courses to podcasts and YouTube channels. But it's not just about financial knowledge. Investing in yourself also means developing your skills and expertise. This could mean taking courses to advance in your current career, learning a new language, or mastering a valuable trade. The more you invest in your personal and professional development, the more valuable you become to the marketplace. And that translates into greater earning potential and more opportunities to build wealth. Okay, let's get real for a second. You could be earning a six-figure salary, but if you're spending more than you're making, you're never going to build wealth. That's why mastering your money is non-negotiable. The first step is to track your income and expenses. You need to know where your money is going every single month. There are tons of budgeting apps out there that can help you with this, or you can go old school and use a spreadsheet. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can start creating a budget that aligns with your financial goals. This means being intentional about your spending and making sure you're prioritizing your needs over your wants. Budgeting can feel restrictive, but it's not about depriving yourself. It's about having the freedom to spend money on the things that truly matter to you without feeling guilty or stressed. So make sure you're paying your future self first by automating your savings and investing. Chapter 4. Diversify and conquer. Building multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is risky. What if you lose your job or something unexpected happens? That's why it's crucial to diversify your income streams. Think of it like having multiple safety nets for your finances. One of the best ways to create additional income streams is through investing. This could be in the stock market, real estate, or even starting your own business. Now, I know investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start by learning the basics and then gradually dip your toes into the water. Remember, you don't need a ton of money to get started. There are plenty of low-cost index funds and ETFs that make investing accessible to everyone. Another great option is to leverage your skills and interests to create a side hustle. Not only can a side hustle provide you with extra income, but it can also give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment outside of your day job. Chapter 5. The power of connections. Networking your way to success. Building wealth isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and valuable insights that you might not otherwise have access to. Start by connecting with people in your industry or field of interest. Attend conferences, workshops, and meetups. Join online communities and engage in discussions. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire and ask for advice or informational interviews. Remember, networking is about building genuine relationships, not just collecting business cards. Be a good listener, offer value to others, and stay in touch with your connections. So, put yourself out there, build relationships, and watch as your network becomes one of your most valuable assets. Chapter 6. Cultivating an unshakable mindset, the foundation of success. Let's be real, the road to wealth is rarely a straight line. There will be bumps along the way, setbacks, and maybe even some failures, but it's how you respond to these challenges that will ultimately determine your success. Cultivating a positive mindset is crucial. This means reframing challenges as opportunities for growth, learning from your mistakes, and developing resilience in the face of adversity. Remember, every successful person has faced their fair share of obstacles. It's their ability to persevere, adapt, and maintain a positive outlook that sets them apart. The more you cultivate a positive and resilient mindset, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ups and downs of wealth building and achieve your financial goals. Chapter 7. Stepping outside your comfort zone. Taking calculated risks. Building wealth often requires stepping outside of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. This could mean investing in a new business venture, negotiating a higher salary, or simply trying a different approach to managing your finances. Now, I'm not saying you should go all in on every risky opportunity that comes your way. It's important to do your research, assess the potential risks and rewards, and make informed decisions. Sometimes, the greatest rewards come from taking calculated risks and betting on yourself. So, embrace the unknown, be willing to experiment, and don't let fear hold you back from reaching your full potential. Chapter 8. The long game, staying disciplined and persistent. Look, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. There are no shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes. It takes time, effort, and most importantly, consistency. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting instant gratification. They jump from one investment to another, chasing the next big thing without ever giving their strategies time to work. The key is to stay disciplined and persistent. Stick to your budget, automate your savings and investments, and resist the urge to make emotional decisions based on market fluctuations. So, be patient. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't get discouraged by short-term setbacks. Chapter 9. The power of giving back, making a difference with your wealth. Building wealth isn't just about accumulating money for yourself. It's also about using your resources to make a positive impact on the world around you. Giving back to your community and supporting causes you care about can be incredibly rewarding. Whether it's donating to a local charity, volunteering your time, or mentoring others, there are countless ways to make a difference. And here's the thing, giving back doesn't have to mean writing a big check. Even small acts of kindness and generosity can have a ripple effect. So find ways to share your success with others and experience the joy and fulfillment that comes from making a difference in the world. Chapter 10. Staying ahead of the curve. Monitoring, adapting, and thriving. The world of finance is constantly evolving. New investment opportunities emerge, market conditions change, and your personal circumstances may shift over time. That's why it's crucial to regularly review and adjust your financial strategies. Set aside time each year to evaluate your progress, assess your risk tolerance, and make sure your investments are still aligned with your goals. Don't be afraid to make adjustments as needed. Stay informed about market trends, seek professional advice when necessary, and be open to exploring new opportunities. By staying flexible, adaptable, and committed to continuous learning, you can navigate the ever-changing financial landscape and achieve lasting financial success. Wootro, start building your wealth today. So there you have it, my step-by-step guide to creating wealth. I hope you found this video valuable and actionable. Remember, building wealth is a journey, and it's never too late to start. If you're ready to take control of your finances and start building the life you've always dreamed of, take action today. Don't wait for the perfect time or for someone else to give you permission. Start by implementing one small change today and then another tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.